Hi everyone, welcome to CubeArc. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate OpenShift with Azure Active Directory, also known as Azure Entra ID, so your users can log into OpenShift securely using their Entra ID credentials. We will walk through creating the Entra ID app, configuring OpenShift's OAuth identity provider, and doing a quick login test. Now let's take a look at prerequisites for this setup. First of all, make sure you have an OpenShift cluster running, either CRC, SNO or multinode. Secondly, access to the OCCLI or OpenShift web console with an admin user and Azure account. Before we jump on the practical, let's have a look at login flow. Here's a breakdown of the login process steps. User visits OpenShift login page, redirect occurs to Azure AD for authentication. Users successfully authenticate with credentials. Azure AD redirect back to OpenShift with token. Now let's start with demo. Login into your Azure account. Select Microsoft Entra ID. Then select app registration. Select new registration. Provide a name. I am giving it OCP. And select account in this organization. Then select a platform. I am selecting web. And here you have to provide your redirect URL or OAuth URL. I will show you how you can fetch your OAuth URL by using CLI. You can fetch it by using OCGet route in project OpenShift authentication. Here's our OAuth URL. Copy it from here. I have already copied it and kept it somewhere safe. This is my redirect URL, in which here this is my OAuth URL. After that, this is the syntax which we have to use OAuth to call back. Then you have to give the name of the identity provider which you can use in creating OAuth identity provider. Copy it and paste it here. Then register. Our app is created successfully. Now we have to create client credentials. Go to client credentials. Select add a certificate or secret. Then click new client secret. Here add a description. Then click add. Our client secret is successfully saved. Copy it and save it somewhere safe. Then after creating secret, we will create a user which we can use to log in OC with Entra ID. Go to default directory, then select users, then add users, create new users, give the name of user, give the display name of user, copy user ID, and auto-generated password, and keep them somewhere safe. Copying user ID and password is not mandatory. I am copying it so that I will log into my OC using these credentials. Now let's start the cluster part. Go to the OC cluster, log in with admin user, then go to administration, then select cluster setting, then click configurations and search for OAuth. Here click add, then select OpenID connect. Here you have to give the name of the identity provider which we have given in our app. Here the name is AAD. Then copy client ID from Azure app. As you can see, application client ID, copy it and paste it in the client ID section. Then you have to give the client secret. Client secret is a value which we have already copied and kept it somewhere safe. Copy it from there and paste it in the client secret. Then you have to provide the issuer URL. Then go to the Entra ID app, then select endpoints and copy the first URL and paste it in issuer URL section. Then click add. Here you can see new identity provider added. Go to the YAML section and reload the YAML file so my pods can reboot. We will verify it by using command line console. We will run command ocget pods As you can see, my pod is in running state. The age of the pod is 12 minutes. We have to wait for restarting that pod. We will use watch command to get the recent updates. As you can see, our pod is in running state. The age of the pod is 41 seconds. Now all the configurations has been done. Now we will test it by logging in to the OC console by using Entra ID credentials. Now open a different browser. I am testing it on different browser so that our OC didn't get auto login. Copy your console URL and paste it on browser. As you can see, we have two options: login with developer and login with AAD. We will select login with AAD. As you can see, our Microsoft sign in page will be open. Now put the user ID and enter password. As it asking for update your password, we have to change the password. I have already one password. I will use it. And click sign in. Click next. And that's it. You have been successfully configured Azure Active Directory with OpenShift in just few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.